to take the bus, but we decided to take the taxi instead because it's like faster. Right now it's 5 a.m. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Super excited.
Yeah. Super excited.
We're so early, so we're just gonna walk around first and then we'll go to our gate soon.
I don't wanna waste my time. The sun is going down. My head is racing out. I just wanna do one thing.
We have tissue.
Just wanna love you like nobody else. Don't have to worry and hurt someone else. But how could I befriend you?
Arrived in Bangkok.
And get a drink.
Yeah, we're drinking watermelon smoothie, and now we're gonna wait for a Grab. There's like so much space.
Yeah. Lock the door first. Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Hello everyone, and welcome to our room tour. So we decided to get a suite.
Where are you?
I was not expecting it to be this big. But yeah, first we have our like living room area, which I don't think we're gonna use.
Okay.
But yeah, and then over here we have a kitchen. But we're not planning to cook anything.
So
But
it's
yeah, I mean just in case people want to cook, there's like cups and different things. I'm guessing there's probably like pans and stuff. I don't know.
nope.
No? Okay, so I guess you would have to ask them to bring up a pan. We have a microwave and a fridge. The fridge has many things inside.
Oh, have a safe.
Yeah, have a safe, have a few drawers. We have over here bathroom and the usual stuff, and an umbrella as well. And then over here we have our huge bathroom. Yeah. So we can finally have a bath.
Whoa.
And then we can have a shower if we don't want to have a bath. And
Massive
yeah,
mirror.
nice big mirror so I can easily do my makeup.
Okay.
And finally we have the room. We've got a king size bed.
Whoa.
And we've got a really amazing balcony over here. Wow, and it's really hot today. So over here we have the balcony. It's really nice and big. And this is our view. We're like near the river, so we can get a boat. Everyone else's balcony, I guess we can see our neighbors.
Yeah.
going to a shopping mall, gonna get a massage, and then we're going to go to the night market as well and do some shopping. So hopefully I can get some nice stuff to wear.
Tom yum noodle. Chicken rice, I got this famous Kieko. Get a small one, then I guess we can eat something else.
Oh, this is fine. It's good.
Better than lunch.
Better than lunch. Hello everyone, so we are now at Ratchada Market and it's 10 p.m.
11
Oh, it's already 11. It's 11 o'clock and I'm just gonna see if I can buy anything from here.